How to download Hamster Kombat app. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to download Hamster Kombat on your phone. Whether you're on iPhone, iOS, or Android, want the quickest way to get started? There's a special link in the video description that takes you straight to Hamster Kombat. Plus, you'll get a bonus of 25,000 coins for free. That's a great way to jump right into the action. So to download Hamster Kombat on your phone, open your App Store and search for Hamster Kombat. You'll likely see some unrelated apps. Don't download them. The real Hamster Kombat isn't a traditional app. To play Hamster Kombat, you'll need the Telegram Messenger app. Download it from the App Store iOS or Google Play Android. In the search bar, type in Hamster Kombat. The first result should be Hamster Kombat Orbot, the official bot. Tap on Hamster Kombat Orbot to open the chat. You might see a message with buttons like Start or Start Playing. Select that option. Another message will appear with a button labeled Play in one click. Tap this button. This will launch the Hamster Kombat interface within Telegram. Now you can play the game. To skip all these steps, use the link down in the description, and you also get a 25,000 coins bonus for free. And this is how to download Hamster Kombat app. If you have any questions about Hamster Kombat, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.